Hi, I'm Matt Allen, and I'm here to give a demonstration of MyEnlighten, the latest monitoring software available on the Enlighten platform. MyEnlighten is a simple presentation of a system's energy production, including overall system health, historical performance, and energy equivalence, and it's all accessible on any web-enabled device. The first thing you'll see is this area at the top of the screen, which indicates how my system is performing right now. This green check tells me everything is operating as expected. This section also gives me a quick overview of today's system performance. I can see the current weather, how much energy I've produced so far today, my latest power reading, and the peak power for the day. If I expand the system details, I can see more information. Starting on the left, I have a bird's eye view of my array. Here I can see how many microinverters are in the system and of course the address. Next is the information provided by my installer, including when the system was installed. I can personalize this experience by adding my own description and any photos I want to share. All of what I enter will be visible when I share this system on my social networks. By sharing performance on Facebook, you'll see that the message indicates how much energy my system has produced over its lifetime. Now let's move down to the part of MyEnlighten that gives me a historical view of how my system has been performing. Right at a glance, I can see almost a full year of system production. Each one of these squares represents a day. Light blue means higher production, and dark blue indicates lower production. As I hover around the grid, the actual production numbers for a given day are represented below. Pretty quickly I can see the seasonality represented by brighter days in April, May, and June compared to darker days earlier in the year. Now I'll click on a specific day to take a deeper look at production for the day. Here on April 22nd, I produced 39.2 kilowatt hours, and I can see that was a sunny day. For comparison, I'll click on June 25th, a darker day where my system produced 6.16 kilowatt hours, and I can see that was a rainy day. This graph shows the performance information for each day within the context of the month. And over here, I can click through energy equivalents for a different take on how much energy my system produced that day. Moving back to the grid, I can also see production information month by month, or for a more detailed view in 15-minute increments throughout a day. If I want to run a report about my system's daily or monthly energy production, or the most recent power production, I can do so from this reporting section at the bottom of the screen. Once I run the report, I can download, print, or email it. And there we have it. That's MyEnlighten at a glance. For more information, log into your system and click on the Help icon in the upper right corner of the screen.